So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated place. We have the Apeman C450. This is our pick for the best budget dash cam. It's available at around $40. The Apeman C450 is a low-cost dash cam that covers all the basics. It supports the most basic dash cam functions such as loop recording, auto on-off, and time-date stamp on the video. But it also comes with a couple extras like extra wide viewing angle and parking monitor. The camera records good 1080p full HD video footage, which is basically all you need, and it records audio in a continuous loop recording. It has superior night vision to deliver clear videos even in low light situations, so it's no problem to use even when you're driving at night. The 3-inch LCD on the back is very handy because you can use it for aiming the camera's field of view, reviewing camera footage, and navigating the simple menu with buttons around the edge. It has a 170-degree ultra-wide viewing angle that gives a great field of view to reduce blind spots, and it's great for when you drive on wide roads such as the highway or large intersections. The camera has a built-in G-sensor that detects and saves footage of car collisions automatically. It uses that same motion detection sensor recording tech when the car is parked to detect if someone backs into or tampers with your vehicle and records footage of that event as well. Plus, it's super easy to set up and use, as it can be easily mounted on your car windshield with its suction cup. Some of the pros for this product include cheap price, LCD screen, extra wide viewing angle, and built-in sensor. A con for this product is no advanced features such as GPS or Wi-Fi. However, at this price point, you can't expect too much. The Apeman C450 offers all the basic dashcam functions, perfect for those who are looking to get their first dashcam but don't want to break the bank. In fourth place, we have the Yi Smart Dashcam. This is our pick for the best value dashcam. It's priced at around $50. The Yi Smart Dashcam is cheap, reliable, and packs a large amount of technology into its tiny shell. It has a high-end video processor that records 1080p video quality and has an impressive all-glass and high-resolution lens that allows video recorded in low-light situations to be crisp and clear. Along with good video quality, it also comes with safety features. The huge field of view at 165 degrees means it can monitor the surrounding area of up to 3 lanes, and even warn the driver if the vehicle is straying out of its lane. It has forward collision warning sounds if the device senses an impending impact with the vehicle ahead. This is all part of the Advanced Driver Assistance System package, which works in conjunction with G-sensor technology, and it allows the camera to automatically record and save clips in an emergency situation. Plus, it has a very intuitive design. The camera has a 2.7-inch LCD screen and its menu structure is simple, making it super easy to set up and use even though the user manual is rather basic. It even supports Wi-Fi so you can quickly upload clips and operate it through your smartphone. Some of the pros for this product include affordable price, advanced driver assistance system, built-in Wi-Fi, and intuitive design. A con for this product is no built-in GPS. However, the fact that it offers Wi-Fi at this price point is already incredible. The Yi Smart Dashcam has all the basic needs of a dashcam with some additional features, all at an affordable price. In third place, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro. This is our pick for the best mid-range dashcam. It's available at around $200. The Vantrue N2 Pro has 2 cameras, one pointed forward and the other aimed at the vehicle's interior. The front lens, which is the most important here, is comprised of 6 individual glass elements, making it brilliant for capturing crisp imagery in low-light situations. The front camera records at 1080p resolution, which produces usable images with good color and contrast, and it has a wide 170-degree field of view. Plus, if you don't need the rear cam, the front camera can actually record at a higher resolution of 1440p. On the other hand, the rear cam's 140-degree field of view lets you easily see people in the front and rear seats from door to door. Its superior performance is due to 4 infrared LEDs surrounding the rear camera lens that lets you see people in the vehicle even in total darkness. This sort of functionality is perfect for professional and rideshare drivers who may or may not want to relive any incidents that occur late on a Friday night. There's also a built-in microphone to record sound. Continuous loop recording is a given here, as is G-sensor technology that detects an incident and will automatically save the footage. Parking mode is also good value at this price point, as it can be switched on to auto record whenever it senses motion. as well as it's simple to use as it has a display screen with buttons, and you can link the camera to a laptop or PC to view the clips. Some of the pros for this product include dual cameras, great video quality, wide viewing angles, and advanced features. A con for this product is it's relatively bulky. However, this is better compared to other 2-camera models that have separate units. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a great 2-in-1 dashcam with both cameras having great video quality and features. In second place, we have the ThinkWare F800 Pro. This is our pick for the best high-end dashcam. It's priced at around $300. The ThinkWare F800 Pro is designed to be perfectly fitted to your car, as it can fit snugly up against the top of your windscreen, behind the rear view mirror, and neatly out of the way. It has 1080p HD video quality, which is more than enough, and the night mode is very impressive. It's surprisingly sharp, and there's next to no noise. It also comes with GPS tracking, lifetime safety camera, and speed alerts, as well as safety warnings such as forward collision and lane departure awareness, but these are all a given. The camera comes with more bonus features. With 3 different types of parking mode to choose from, this is the most versatile camera to keep your car safe when you're gone. You'll have to hardwire the camera to the car's battery for parking mode to work, but it will power off automatically if the voltage drops below a specified level, so you don't drain the car's battery. You can also connect the dash cam to an external power bank, as well as if you have a Wi-Fi hotspot in your car, you can make use of ThinkWare's cloud alert system. It allows you to track a car's location via GPS. You can also enable a feature called geofencing that will notify you if your car leaves a predetermined area. In the event of a collision or an accident detected by the G-sensor, the camera can send a notification with the exact GPS coordinates of the event. Some of the pros for this product include low profile, enhanced night vision, parking modes, and cloud alerts. A con for this product is no display. However, Wi-Fi means you can connect the camera to your smartphone to view recordings and alter the settings. The ThinkWare F800 Pro has everything you need in a dashcam and so much more, making it a premium device. And coming in first place, we have the Garmin Dashcam 66W. This is our pick for the best overall dashcam. It's available at around $220. The Garmin Dashcam 66W is the latest iteration of the company's line of inconspicuous dashcams that boast plenty of features. It's one of the most compact cameras here and resembles a GoPro, making it the most attractive as well. Despite being small, it manages to pack in plenty of extra features such as GPS and smartphone integration with the Garmin app. There's also lane departure and forward collision warning, as well as speed camera warnings, and it automatically records and saves footage when the built-in G-sensor detects an accident. The camera has a massive wide, 180-degree viewing angle lens, giving a far broader view of the front of your car and the road ahead. Also new is HDR video recording to help retain detail in high-contrast lighting, while a Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone and the free Garmin Drive app means you can connect up to 4 cameras at once and synchronize the video they shoot, giving a 360-degree view around your car. It's simple to set up and use. The mount is excellently designed with a small magnet mount, making removal and placement of the dashcam incredibly easy. Plus, users can operate the camera using voice commands. Some of the pros for this product include compact design, high resolution, extra wide field of view, and lots of extra features. A con for this product is voice control is just okay. However, it's still easy to use with the menu system or even through your smartphone with the Garmin app. The Garmin Dashcam 66W is an exceptional little dashcam with its excellent image quality, extra features, and attractive design. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.